In this session, we are going to learn about the introduction to Java, and additionally, we are going to study the key features and Java internals and Java working and the Java basic program. First, we learn the what is Java. So, what is Java? Java is a computer programming language that enforces an object-oriented programming module. Java is a programming language and computing first released by Sun Microsystem in 1995. Java was created by team led by the James Gosling. Java is a platform independent programming language that follows the logic of write once and run anywhere. Java can be used to create the complete applications that may run on single computer or can be distributed among the servers and clients in a network. This is the what is Java. So these are the Java features, that is simple, high performance, secure, robust, portable, dynamic, distribute, multi-threading, and object oriented. So we'll study the simple. Java is easy to learn and its syntax is quite simple, clean, and easy to understand. The confusing the and ambitious concepts of C++ left out in Java. They have been re-implemented in a cleaner way. It is being it is simple because of generic API and bytecode set of instructions to the Java compiler, which internally contains a different types of symbols which our source code. Collection of packages. Package is a collection of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. High performance. High performance. Although Java is an interpreted language, it was designed to support the just-in-time compilers, which dynamically compile bytecode to the machine code due to less time and space complexity. Secure. There is a secure key feature. Java can be used to Java can be used to develop the virus-free system. Java is secured because of the hypertext. Java program runs inside the virtual machine sandbox to prevent any activity from undisturbed sources. No use of Eclipse pointers. Robust. Java checks the code during the completion time and runtime. Java completely take care of the memory allocation and releasing, which makes Java more robust because of the exception handling using Java, like keywords try, catch, throw, through, final, and synthesize, switch, etc. Portable. There's a keyword portable. Key feature portable. Portable is nothing but applications are written on one platform of Java can easily ported to another platform as it is a platform independent language. Dynamic. Many objects are elevated at runtime and execution is carried out. For example, runtime polymerism. So it is why it is dynamic. Java is a dynamic due to the collection frameworks. If we keep on adding the elements, automatically the size will be increased. Similarity to decrease while removing the elements. Distribute. Distribute is nothing but RAM, remote method invocation, and Java Beans Enterprise. So, etc. are used for creating the distributed applications using Java. So, using this program can call a method of another program is running in some other computers in the network. Multi-threading. Thread is a task in a process or a program. Multi-threading is a multitask running and executing at the same time. This facility is provided by Java so that many tasks can be executed at the same time. Object oriented. Object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything is performed using object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on the object model. So why Java is a object programming language? Due to the wrapper classes. So what is wrapper classes? Wrapper classes build the functions. The wrapper classes has been divided into two things. One is autoboxing and unautoboxing. So autoboxing converts a primitive to object. Auto unboxing converts the objective to primitive. So these are the few more features you can add for the Java features. Platform independence due to the architecture neutral, processor negligible, which will run on a very processor like an Intel Quantum, etc. Network, we can develop the application from the client to server, servers to the database, client to the multi-servers, etc. So these are the key features of the Java. So from the next topic, we are going to the Java internals. So Java internals is nothing but there are three types of internals. One is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JDK. So first we are going to study about the JVM. JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. It's a virtual machine that runs the Java bytecode. The JVM does not understand the Java source code. That is why you compile your Java files to the obtain classes files that contains the bytecode understood by the JVM. The same bytecode gives the same results, makes the Java is a platform independent programming language. Like we are given the right ones and run anywhere. What is right ones? We are writing the Java code in one operating system. You can run the same code in any other operating system. So here clearly we are mentioned that uh, Java code, like a source code, it going to the compile, and after the compiling, it is translating to the bytecode. After bytecode, it is moving to the directly to the JVM. From the JVM, directly it is moving to the like an operating systems. So three operating system we are observing here. So converting the Java files into class file, understandable language of OS. JRE JRE is nothing but Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment provides a libraries, the Java Virtual Machine, and other components to run the applications written in the Java programming language. Here we are clearly mentioned that JRE, Java Runtime Environment, is equals to JVM, Java Virtual Machine plus set of libraries and other additional files. The JRE does not contain tools and utilities such as compilers, debuggers for developing the applets and applications. Here we are clearly mentioned that JRE, JVM, set of libraries, and other additional files. We can develop the existing applications. JDK. JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. JDK is a superset of JRE and contains everything that is in JRE plus tools such as the compilers and debuggers necessary for developing the applicates and applications. Here we are clearly giving that JDK Java Development Kit is equals to JRE Java Runtime Environment plus development tools, and JDK is equals to Java Virtual Machine plus set of libraries and other additional files and development tools. So under here we are clearly mentioned that image JDK, JRE, JVM, set of libraries like R, jar, etc. and other additional files, development tools for the example for Java C and Java, etc. So use it to develop a new application and modify the existing applications. So these are the Java internals. So we are going slightly for the Java working. Compile time environment, runtime environment, and Java virtual machine. So here we are clearly given the image of how the Java is working step by step, how it is working. So let's come to the first Java source code, and from the Java source code, the compiler is going to compile and it is giving the bytecode. The bytecode is directly moving to the Java bytecode move to the local or through network. From the local through network, it is going to the class load bytecode verifier. Here is a Java class load bytecode verifier from the class files. So from the class load bytecode verifier, it is moving to the two divides. So one is Java interpreted and just-in-time compilers. From two things, we are getting the output as a output to the runtime environment and operating system and hardware like a virtual machine. So this is the how the Java is working. So slightly move to the next topic. First program of the Java program. Public class hello pen branch and public static void main strings array system dot out dot print ln hello world. Here we are clearly mentioned that is public. What is public? Public is a keyword. An access modifier which represents the visibility. It means visible to all. And class. What is class? A class is nothing but it is also a keyword. Is used to declares a class in Java. So hello. What is hello? We are creating the class name as a hello. What do you think about the what is hello we are giving? So we are giving the hello as a class name and public. Public we have already studied the public keyword is access modifier which represents the visibility. It means to visible to all. And static. Static is also as keyword. We declare any method as a static. It is known as a static method. The core advantage of static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke with the static method. And void. Void is a written type of method. It means it does not return any value. And main. So main represents the startup of the program and the strings arrays. Strings arrays used for the command line arguments. We will learn it in later. So again we are going to the system.out.println. So here println it is an output statement. System.out.println is a print statement. We will learn about the internal working of the system.out.println statement and later. So we are giving the hello world. This is the how we will get the hello world when we compile our program and run our program. So this is the basic program of the Java first programs. So after that we will go to the clearly here we are observing the static and non-static keyword. So if you have a static keyword in a method, you can call using the class name. If you don't have the static keyword, then you need to create an object in the main method. Then using the object, we need to call the method. So here is a small program. You can observe that how where and we have used the static or non-static and what we have used. You can clearly observe this.